that goal. 1-0 to Sheffield United. Didn't see that coming. Come on, lads, wake up.
These are fucking shit! For fuck's sake, look!
Flag people are the worst, referees are worse. Just, I don't know what to say in words. Just losing 1-0. And Sheffield United are a bit of pain, just a bit acting like Burnley, just wasting time when they're winning. Just don't bother to fetch the ball, and goalkeeper's worse as well. Just hoping next half will get better and wake up more. Useless, come on. Go, 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 go.
No foul, no foul.
No foul. Far. Come on. Go on. That was. Come on. Give him! To him. What? Yes, 1-1 now. Mark Doctor scored at last, yes.
The football team, Johnny's owners and won the game reporter. More than a match, nice in attack. We're Wolverhampton, we're on our way back.
Fox. Come on. God.
Come on, boys, come on!
This is it! This is it! Oh! Hey, I'm back. So what a game. It was a tough game. Eventually we got justice again. It's 1-1. We got 1 point. I gotta say the first half wasn't that good. Second was ish. Yeah, Sheffield United were a tough side, but still a pain though. Yeah. Yeah. Especially with referee and a flag men were just unbelievable crap. It's just they never gone to Specsavers. They need to open their eyes. They keep sending free kicks and throws to Sheffield United all the time. It's just ridiculous. I mean, some of Sheffield United should have get some red cards because they are utterly dirty monsters. I mean, they're acting more like Burnley. Yeah, they're acting like Burnley, whining, going, "Oh, before you hurt me, give the free kick." Yeah, that sort of thing. And the goalkeeper for Sheffield United is such a waste of time, man. Again, but we got justice again. Ha 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 ha. Also, there's a tragic, sad news for ex-Wolves player Benik. His 2-year-old daughter sadly passed away. So yeah, it's just, I'm heartbroken. It's just heartbroken that she's only 2. I'm feeling so sorry for Benik. I'm really so sorry for him. And that Doherty scored that goal for that justice. He had black band around his arm and he kissed it up to the air. That was for Benik's Folby's daughter, because Folby and Matt Doherty were buddies when they were team up in a Wolves team together. I'm just happy that Doherty scored that justice goal and did it for Folby. So yeah, I gotta say, Wolves need to pick up now, because on Wednesday we got West Ham. And then after that, it's Brighton away. Brighton away. I'm going over there. The Seagull Land. Second time going there. So I'm going to show you why it's called a Seagull Land. So yeah. So anyway, but that's it. Next game is West Ham at home on Wednesday. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and follow me on my social medias of my updates. This is F209 signing out. See you guys next time.